Hello, friends. This is SAP QM incoming inspection with the Fiori apps. So these are the latest features in S4 HANA. We are going to today walk through the end-to-end process completely with the Fiori apps. So you might have seen, most of the processes in the, SAP ECC, just because a lot of people were asking based on, I had given a lot of presentations, so why can't you make some with the latest Fiori apps? So I just started some sessions on the SAP presentations. So this will be the session for the SAP quality management for the incoming inspection with the incoming inspection, okay, with the Fiori apps. So this is the titles. So agenda for this one, we just walk through with the quality management overview. Then I'm going to explain you regarding the SAP QM transactional codes and what are the related Fiori apps on that one. So then, and the major Fiori apps, where may say maybe some Fiori analytical apps, I'll be showing that for the quality management, where it will be helpful for the quality inspector and quality engineer. And finally, I'm going to show you about the master data's use for my demo, and I'll be walking through the end-to-end demo from right from the the procurement process for the quality inspection, from the creation of the purchase order, release, then going to receive that with the inbound delivery, goods received, how the inspection lots are generated, and how it is inspected, what are the Fiori apps, and what are the analytical apps. This is something like a session which will help you just to understand, and because most of them are using S4 HANA now, so it's very good for the people who are already using SAP, or for the new users to know what are the Fiori apps and to work on even the name of the Fiori app just for one change inspection plan. Maybe you can use for the create inspection plan. The Fiori apps are similar. Okay. So these are the basic transaction codes, and the Fiori apps we'll be using for the end-to-end process, like material master. We're going to set up the master inspection characteristics, the sampling procedure, then where we need to set up the create and change the inspection plan. Then we create one. We'll make while making the demo. I'll explain you regarding the from the purchase order creation to release. Then we'll see based on the a process, or based on the confirmation keys, we'll create some inbound delivery and receipt. Then we see how the inspection will go with the Fiori apps. Okay, let us start with that. So if you go to the actually your home page, you need to configure. I'm going to show you that how we can configure and set up the home page also. And basically these are the major Fiori apps, right? So right now I have set up my home page according to the requirement. And this is just like how you set up, right? So according to the user role and what role you pay, which apps it's very user friendly. You can add any app as per your requirement and your job profile based on the role you required. So I have configured based on my thing, I can remove some app, I can add some app. So these are the major apps, like from I need a material master, right, but just to activate the QM view and the inspection type, then anything to change the master inspection characteristics. These are the major apps I have added. You can add any app, but basically you need to have that roles and authorization. You should be authorized. Basically you can add that. It's very user friendly. So this is which one analytical app I was talking about. There's one analytical app of quality technician overview. Basically, what this app will tell you, this is very helpful for the quality technician or a quality inspector. It will show you the complete dashboard, right? It will tell you what are the inspection lots, we have without inspection plan. Sometimes, they might have forgotten to create an inspection plan. They might have activated the quality, quality in the material master, but they forget to create an inspection plan, but the inspection lots are created. So these are the complete dashboard you can find out. And from there, you can directly drill down to the required lot, and you can check whether the inspection plan is available or not. Then you can create an inspection plan, and you can just continue with the inspection. And this is also a major inspection. You can see now, right now, there is all 24 lots are there. There is nothing left. And based on this is very dynamic. Whenever you get a lots, based on your plans and your setting parameters, you get exactly all the parameters for the inspector. This is very helpful quality technician overview. It's and these styles are very user friendly. You can configure, you can remove some. Some this is like something like a this dashboard, whichever you don't need, you can add that cards. Let me go to the another app. This app is very helpful for the quality engineer or the person who's making the usage decision or the department head from the quality, right? Based on the roles, we can assign this app to the quality person. Maybe one person doing same thing, inspector on the engineer or the usage decision. We can assign this quality engineer overview to that same guy. Based on some organizations, they have quality inspectors separately and some person department head or engineer who is going to make the usage decision. So according to that, we can assign that role. This app is very helpful for the quality engineer or the person who is taking the decision on accepting the lot or rejecting the lot or making the decision. You can see here, this is also, if you see in the left, you can find out which are by inspection plan, which are lots missing, similar to quality in the previous app, right? So there, apart from that, there it will show you the dashboard completely. What are the inspection usage decision status, like what is pending for, what is inspected, what is pending, and whatever the usage decision. And based on the selection parameter, we can drill down. Once you click that, you can go to the up to the inspection lot, and you can complete the inspection. Here you can see here, ready for usage decision. There are 20, 20 inspection lots. I'll show you that in the, when the thing is very dynamic and it will change, based on the lots and based on the usage decision. This is going to change, and this is a quick dashboard so that you can completely see the defects. Any these styles are really configured. You can add the cards. You can remove these cards, whichever you don't need. You can completely filter by your plant. It's very user friendly. So for our demo, I just want to use some master data. Let me use some material. I'm just going to use this material, some plant, and the inspection type I'm going to activate is 01. I'm just going to use some characteristic. I'll show you that, these are the master data prerequisites required. That's the reason I'm showing you that we'll take one material, one plant, the one inspection type 01, and we'll use these characteristics and some sampling procedure, and we can assign and we can use that one. So let me go to the demo quickly. See this. This is my. Hello. Let us start with this QM demo now. We'll go with the end-to-end process. What we'll do is we'll create one purchase order. From them they will release and we'll complete the end-to-end process for the incoming inspection. Here my screen. What I'm going to do. So I'm going to make one purchase order for this. Um, take for example. This is a material taken to log in actually to Fury Launchpad, the Fury Launchpad. Okay. So usually when you click the link of the Fury Launchpad, you get an access, to the web portal. You can log in with any of the devices. Now, right now I'm using my system, but you can log in with any of the system devices. This is the advantage of the web-based tool. Okay. So basically, you'll have the username and the password, and this is the login pad. Once you enter your username and the password, then click the login pad. So once I enter my password, the system it takes now. You can see this. This is my home page. I can have a different folders, but right now I have made one as a QM demo for just for a demo purpose. I arrange all the tiles based on the sequence, and this is very user friendly. If you go to your name and you can see edit home current page, you can arrange your home page. I can just remove anything. I can, if you need to add, just you can go and add a tile here. So, it's very user friendly. I think I am going to make one more session for how to configure this and arrange your home page and the, arrangement of the Fury tiles. Okay, right now let me continue this end-to-end demo. So before starting, I want to show you that, the complete process, right? Like end-to-end demo. Let me start with the material masters. So right now I'm using this material, right? So let me go and change this material. So if you see, this is the material I'm going to use, one material, and let me go and change. I'll remove all the thing. I'll just go for the quality management. This is very similar to MM02. So just click this. I'll make this as a default, and I'll take this plant as one plant 3100. Let me make it a default. So if you go now, if you quality management view, there is a inspection setup here. So you can see now the inspection setup here. Basically, you'll have you can set up the what type of inspection type. Basically, for incoming inspection for against the production order, we activate 01 inspection type. If there is nothing is there, you can just go and create this inspection type, and you can activate this. Right now, it is activated, and the only thing is I can make active and deactivate it. This is the way you activate in the material master the QM view. Okay, just activate it, check and everything is fine, save. This is the first thing you do for the materials which need a incoming inspection. Okay, first activate the QM view in the MM02. Similar to this is the app change material. This is similar to MM02. Okay, now let me go and change, show you the some inspection characteristics before I show you some inspection plan. Okay, let me go. Let me take change inspection characteristics. I'll take one inspection characteristics, so there may be existing many inspection. Just click go. It will show all the inspection characteristics. You see this. These are the inspection characteristics existing under this plan. So I can create a quality characteristics similar to how you create in PS23, PS24, right? So similar to that, we can create that. And I'll be using this inspection characteristics. So you can select this. I just go and change this. So you see this. This is having some key date and the version. Just click this master inspection characteristics. Here the characteristic is similar to this, what we create in the transactional apps. So it has got a quantitative characteristics and the qualitative characteristics. And basically the status of the characteristics should be released, and based on the complete model. And you can see this catalog. This is the qualitative. So we assign this. This is a code for your okay, as something of okay, not okay, exception. Just a qualitative yes or no. Okay. So basically, this is the characteristics we can create and we can save this. Okay. So you can create a number of master inspection characteristics, and I'm just using this change app. Similar to that, you have a create master inspection characteristics. So this is the one of the second requisite. You should have all the master inspection characteristics before creating the inspection plan, and the sampling procedure should be existing. Sampling procedure can be anything based on the lot size. You can create and you can change the sampling procedure with the change sampling procedure. But right now, I'm using this quality management view and the inspection characteristics and existing sampling procedure. Let me go and show you the inspection plan for my material. So this is a prerequisite. You should have an inspection plan. Our material is say material 281 something. We take that one. Okay, I'll take this plant as 3100. Okay. So this is the inspection plan. If you go to the inspection plan, basically, if you go to the header of the inspection plan, uh, so this is the inspection plan. All the inspection plans are identified by group and group counter. Okay. So it has got, the inspection plan similar to the routings, how you have. We have the inspection plan. This is similar to QP02 in the transaction code. We are using just a app change inspection plan. So it has got a group and group counter for this material, and the plan and the usage is goods received 5, and for the purchase order, and the status should be released. Once you go to the operations, click the operations, you see this. There is one operation for this quality side, there's a work center assigned for this operation. This is the plant and the control key is assigned QM01. And based on that, this is the incoming inspection of materials. If I select this and click inspection characteristics, so you see that all the characteristics which are assigned to the plant for this material. So I'm using 4 inspection characteristics. So some are qualitative. You can see all these are 1, 3, and 4 are qualitative, but the second one is quantitative. This is a quantitative, second one, and the rest of them are qualitative. Qualitative means you can just say it is good or bad, okay or not okay. But for quantitative, for the second one, you need a physical dimensions, you need a physical measurement for this one. So basically, you can see this. There is upper limit, lower limit, and what are the units. So this has to be measured and physically recorded for quantitative. Okay. So this is the inspection characteristic, and you can see for each characteristics there is a sampling procedure assigned. You see this for first characteristic. You can have one sampling procedure, or for each characteristic a different sampling procedure. Okay? So this is the third requisite. Once you have the basic master data setup for the material master, and your inspection characteristics and the sampling procedure, you can create an inspection plan. This is the first thing you need to have as a prerequisite before going to make any incoming inspection and the purchase order. Okay. Once I have set up all this master data, I can go and create a purchase order. Now I'm going to create a purchase order for this material. Since I have the basic requirements for all the master data, let me create a purchase order for this. So if you go the purchase order, okay. So let me document on this, my purchase orders. I'll use this purchase order. Let me copy this. Yeah, this is the material I was looking for. I can continue with this one. Okay, let me create a material. Okay, I'll use material, like me take some 600 quantity in this time. So my quantity is 600,000, and you can see the delivery rate. I'll give the delivery rate as instead of 13. Yeah, 13 is fine. Or you can make it as 16 Monday. Okay. So this is a thing. So all the prerequisites are done. I'll just click off this one. Okay. So this is the vendor, and this is the material, and delivery date is this one. So I have given all the prerequisites. If I go and check this is basically done by the procurement team. I'm just for the demo purpose. I'm showing end-to-end scenario. So everything, there is no messages. So that means everything is okay. I'll save my purchase order. Now you got your purchase order. Let me copy your purchase order 3036. Okay. So when I copy this purchase order, so let me use this purchase order here. Okay, let me increase this font from 10, 11. Okay, this is my purchase order 3036. So now if I go this purchase order, I want to show you something. This very important thing, right? For the purchase order, what is the confirmation keys, right? So what is the confirmation keys? We are having ways on that. You can, if I go to the item details. So if you go to the item details, right? So if you see the confirmation key, if you don't have any confirmation key here, I can go and directly create 101 moment type received. But if you have a confirmation, you need to have the inward deliveries, you need to have the, pre-request defined as a confirmation. Some like advanced shipping notification has to be done. Based on that, you can remove that, some purchase orders may have a confirmation key, some may not have. Based on that, you can receive that one. So let me know, let me create one inbound delivery for this one. So the app for the creating a inbound delivery is like in the transaction code we have VL31 and right. So we are using create inbound delivery. It is very much similar to this. So you see this the latest PO it has taken. If there is nothing like you can enter the PO number. Since it has taken my PO, I'll go and continue this one. Okay, click continue. Purchase order is not ready. You see this? So that means there is this purchase order is not yet approved. So I need to approve this purchase order first. For approving that, let me go for the app, like instead of ME 2099 in transaction, I'm going to use this app, release purchase order. Okay. So let me go to my purchase order, other purchase order. So give my purchase order here. Okay, let me give my purchase. You can see your purchase order is there. 600 30636. Go to the header one. Here you see this is the thing. This is usually done by the purchasing procurement manager. But since for the demo, we are doing one everything. We are releasing the purchase order. It's approved now. Just save it. Now it is sent to the vendor, and vendor is going to send the goods, and we're going to receive this by creating an inbound delivery. Okay. Let me go there. Now if I go for the inbound delivery, instead of VL31, we are going to use this create inbound delivery app. Just give the purchase order number. So my last purchase order number is taken. So I'll continue with this one. So you see the 600 quantity is taken. And if you need any incoming data, you can enter there. Because since all my data is taken from the purchase order, I'll just go and save this inbound delivery. So I created an inbound delivery. So I'll copy this inbound delivery. Just for my record, I'll just put it here as a reference. Okay. So let me increase this font 11 bold. Okay, I have an inbound delivery. Now I can go and receive this material. Okay, to receive the material, it's very simple process. We go by Migo transaction, right? In the SAP earlier in the ECC. Now there's something called we need to make with the goods moment. So let me go and create a goods moment. This is similar to you can see this app goods moment. This is similar to Migo transaction in the ECC. Let me click this. So you need to select what you're doing. You can perform a lot of transaction with Migo. This app similar to Migo. You can receive, you can make transfer posting, you can goods issue. Right now I'll be making goods receipt. Okay. Goods issue against the purchase order. Against the purchase order, just enter your purchase order number. So let me take my purchase order number for creating inbound delivery. So once you enter the purchase order number, you see this, the something has come up. Your 600 quantity after the inbound delivery has taken. So let me check if it is allowing now. So it is preparing for quality. You saw that message, right? It was preparing for quality. That means whenever I post this stock will go 600 will go to the quality stock. Okay. Just check everything is okay. I'll post it. You see this preparing for quality inspection and you have a material document is posted. Now, I want to tell you, let me create a transfer order. Since this warehouse management is unable for this material, is creating a transfer order. Let me create a transfer order for this. Let me complete that process. Since 600, so let me save this. So it is asking me where to post that one. Incoming inspection in the GR area in the transfer bin. Let me continue here. So you saw that 5 pieces are gone to the sample and the transfer. This is the transfer order. Okay. Let me take this is the transfer order number. So I have the transfer order number. So usually it has to be confirmed, but let me go to that thing. Now, one more thing. I want to show you the stock, right? Where is our stock now? We received the material. We created the inspection lot, but that stock should be somewhere, right? It should be in the quality inspection. Let me check this. This is the app, for the stock overview. This is similar to MMBE in the transactional code. But if you click that, you can see just a material, just to the material. Since we are using the last material as UR281P, it has taken. So let me enter the material and plant and just continue. You see this, our 600 stock has come to the quality. That means this is the unrestricted stock and this is the quality stock. It needs the inspection. Before doing the inspection, I want to show you something else here. See, earlier what we are happening is we are going to the QA32 and making, the inspection lots, we need to check what is the inspection lot and we used to do all the inspection there, but we can perform this inspection with the different apps. Let me go to show you the similar what we have with the Fiori apps. Okay. So this is the app. You can see this change data for inspection lot. This is similar to QA32. What we get in the transactional, it is similar here. Let me go here. You see this, the look and feel is similar to QA32. Just put all inspection lots and put the material. Our material is this one. The plant is this one. Just execute. So you see here, there is one inspection lot which is new, 126, today's. But if you want to see which is with the required purchase order, you need to select the right view. Let me select the view. I select my view created on queue. You see this? My purchase order is 3036, correct? So with the 600 quantity, and this is my lot. So let me copy this inspection lot. You see, this is my inspection lot. So it has got 126. Let me enter that in just for my record. So this is my inspection lot. So now you see this is release. That means I can perform the inspection. If there is no release, that means I need to go and come and here and make release with this with this change inspection lot. But since it is released, the sample size is 5, so it is going to make the user decision based on the sample size. Okay. So let me go and select. You can do the results recording either similar to QA32 here. You can create a results recording and also complete the usage decision. But I'll perform the separate this both the thing in the different apps. Okay, there are separate apps are for that one. I'll show you that instead of doing it here. So let me go. There is an app for recording inspection results. You see this? This is similar to what we use for recording inspection results. There is a like QE51N. There is another app for the recording in the transaction also, but we can use this record inspection results. Just go there, even if you don't know the lot, right? So just go and filter. Put your plant and material. Suppose I don't know what is the lot, right? And material is this one. And at the status, I'll go not started, which is let me complete the status of the inspection lot. Inspection lot. I don't know this. Yeah, here you see the results recording status. Here I'll go. It has not started, which is not started. I'll just take the which is pending. Okay, just click go. You see this. This is our lot 126, right? It is showing this. If I go to the Excel, this is my lot, correct? So this is it is showing. I can go and complete the inspection here, but before that, I want to show you something before completing the inspection. Okay, let it be here. If you go to that, there are two apps I told you, right? Analytical apps, quality technician overview, and the quality engineer overview. So this lot will be reflected there. I want to show you that before making the results recording. Let me go to the quality technician overview. This will be widely used by all the technicians, quality technician or the quality inspectors. So basically it helps you like a dashboard. You see here, it will show you what are the inspection lots pending for what the inspection without inspection plan. If any inspection lots are pending without inspection plan, it will show you. You can just go there and correct because it will not allow you to make the inspection this one. And here you can see there's one lot today. We have one lot. This is pending for results recording. So once you complete this, this will go and maybe it will add to this. So there's nothing pending. So like this, you can add the styles and, here you see, you can filter your material. You can bring your material also here. So this is very user friendly. You see, material I can brought. I can adapt my filters. I can adapt my filters. I can bring my inspection type. If you need only inspection type 01, you can bring all the inspection. But if you want to bring all the inspection, just give the material and the plant, you can come to that one. So you based on your filter criteria, this data will change accordingly. Okay. So this is very helpful for the quality technician. Maybe one technician is performing for one plant A, another inspector is performing for another plant. You can just give your filter criteria and your dashboard is will be every day. You can refresh the dashboard. This will be it's very user friendly. And here I want to tell you that one more thing. Uh, Here you see this. You can send it the results. This thing to mail and save as a tile. Lot of things are there and. Here you see here, you can manage the cards. If I don't want anything, I can remove something here. You see my task, I don't want to this my task, right? So this why I don't need my task. I just remove this, so it is gone. Okay. So similarly, you can add, you can add a manage card, I can just add. So basically, if you don't need the inspection lot, you can just remove. It is gone. So it's very, very user friendly. Let me keep it everything as of now. So I'll go to the another app. This is usually this quality technician overview is used by the quality inspectors or the technicians only. Okay, it is very helpful for the people, what is pending for their inspection recording. There's another app for quality engineer overview. This is for the basically for a quality engineer or a quality manager where he can see after inspection results recording, before making the usage decision, he can see like a dashboard, what are the inspection, the complete picture of the plant, what is pending for the quality. Here you see he can see all the lots which are without inspection plan. He can go and just ask the inspector or the planner to make the inspection plan for these materials. And here you see inspection lot without usage decision. So that means the inspection results recording is completed, but usage decision is not done. You see, not started is 42. So I can go directly here. From here, I can go to the inspection lots. If I click that, it will take you to the inspection lots. So it is very user friendly. You can drill down to the inspection lots. and you see inspection not ready for usage decision. This is 20, already it is ready for usage decision. You see this quality levels based on the KPIs performed, we can get all the inspection severities and like a dashboard. And if you also want to see some, defects, you can get the defects, on the dashboard every day. So right now we don't have anything because it's very clean system, and I'm just using particularly for just for demo, so we don't have much. But based on your this thing, we can assign. It's similar to the previous preview. We can assign to one plan, and you can filter by. You can adapt more filters here. You can bring the material here, you can bring the material, you can bring the inspection type, you can bring that whatever the organization, right? You can filter that. And also here you can see I can add and remove manage cards similar to that. If you don't need anything, you can just remove. Suppose if I don't like this top defects, right? I'll remove the top defects. Okay, gone. So like that, you can manage the cards. It's a very user friendly. Let me keep everything now. Okay. So this will be helpful as an analytical app for the quality engineer or a quality manager. Okay. Now let us complete our inspection. Let me go to the record inspection results. Okay. The record inspection results. This is the app. Okay. Let me give my material. And the plant. If you don't know there is a inspection lot, you can just go on there and just give the result status if you want to have all the pending. Or if you are doing in process, right? In between, if you come, you can also bring that in process status. But right now, nothing is there. I just want to see what is pending the new lot. And just click go. So you have the inspection lot 126, right? This is our inspection lot. Just select this, click, click here, right arrow. Now you see that whatever the characteristics we assigned in the inspection plan, that is showing that for the inspection. This is for the inspector, right? To record the inspection results, correct? So just click this edit. And based on the actual inspection, he'll check this. The first the characteristic is telling leak test, and it's telling that he's taking 5 sample lot, and based on the thing, he'll tell that it is okay or not okay. Let me okay, just say okay. So he'll just say okay from his side. Some if you want to put any comments, he can put there, or if you need to attach any document, right? He can go just right click here. Here you see the first operation characteristics we can assign. He can upload some picture. He can add a link if you need. You know, if you need to upload any document, right? He can attach the document. Like say, for example, if I want to attach some vendor certificate, right? Vendor certificate from the vendor supplier, he can attach that one. Okay, you can attach. See this? You can attach this. So this is very user friendly. Maybe you can attach the certificate or a drawing during the inspection. Let me save this. Okay, this is passed. Similarly, I can go to the second characteristics. Okay, edit, click the edit. Second one, say just say this. You see this. This is a quantitative. You need a physical measurement. So we need to enter the sample size is 1. So I'll just enter the range should be between 2000 and 2005, 3500. So let me put some 2600 before the results. It's telling yeah. See inspected 1. Yeah, evaluated. Okay, I'll just put some comment. Okay. So like this, I'll complete the inspection. This is just a code group qualitative again. I say okay. Okay. If I have any remark, I can enter here. Okay. And here again the qualitative, just say okay. So based on the inspection, right? So he'll be entering inspected 5. You see everything is okay. So now if I validate process, registering process, okay, save it. The results recording is done. As an inspector, I have completed the inspection. I have attached the document and I have left to the quality engineer or a department manager, who's going to make the usage decision based on my inspection. So now the next stage is record usage decision. You see here, record usage decision. I can go one or you can go for manage usage decision. I can click this manage usage decision. If I want to go, you see here, I can click the either with the record usage decision I showed you, right? let me click this record usage decision. It will tell you need to enter the lot here. Okay, and you can complete the based on the you see this results. You can take this and make inspection. Say example, I can accept or reject based on that. But I'll not make it here. Let me use another app for this also. There is another app, manage usage decision. Let me click here. So let me click this manage and give the material. So this is the material, this is the plant, 6,100 and results recording, let me usage decision, no, which is not completed usage decision, I'll make say. So this should be one lot, right? So one lot should be without usage decision. This is a lot which is not completed. See, before making usage decision, the quality engineer, either he can use other app, record usage decision or manage usage decision. Just select this. You see here, it is telling that all the characteristics, the results. I can go see the results. You see this? I can see all the results. Oh, fantastic. Everything is okay. Process. This is the quality score. It will also show you the history, like previous, right? If you have any inspection lot rejected, right? I purposely rejected something just to show. But if with the supplier, I can see the quality score, everything, previous, how the inspection, recording, everything. Now I'll go and make this usage decision. For usage decision, you see here, this is the okay. Let me go edit. Okay. So usage decision, let me go. So unrestricted, right? So if before usage decision here, correct? So here I need to accept this. And if you need to put some comments as the engineer, I'll say UD. Okay. Sorry. I'll just go and inspection stock. Where I want to put it stock, I'll put it in the unrestricted 600. Okay. So once I save this, our usage decision is completed. You see here, everything is done. Usage decision is completed. Now our stock should move to the unrestricted stock. Let me go to the stock over, just give the material and plant. This is similar to MMBE, right? I told you, right? So let me go. You see our quality inspection is completed. Now that we have the stock in unrestricted stock. This completes the inspection, but this is also the results are reflected in the our analytical app. So let me go to the analytical apps again. So let me go to the quality technician overview. There should not be any lot now. Okay. You see here, there is no lot. Earlier it was showing one lot. It has gone. So this is a dashboard for the inspector, whereas there is another quality engineer overview for the quality engineer. You see, this has gone. Everything is recorded. If there is any defect, also we can see this in the dashboard. This completes the complete incoming inspection, end-to-end scenario from the receipt of, I showed you what are the prerequisite master data, material master, quality inspection characteristics, inspection plan, and the sampling procedures, right? Then I created a complete, end-to-end scenario from creating purchase order, release purchase order, and, accepting that, by creating inbound delivery and the goods receipt. And then the inspection lot is created and then we accept it. Let me show you the complete inspection status now. If you go to this QA32, similar to right? What is that one? Change inspection data bar. This is similar to QA32, right? Put your all the inspection lots here. Let me put my material here. So if I go this, I can select all the lots here. You see here today, the last lot is also become a green. That means our UD is completed. Let me bring my layout. You can see 3036 our purchase order, right? Let me show you the purchase order. Our purchase order was 3036, correct? So 3036 purchase order is become green. That means our lot 126 is completely inspected. I mean, inspected and usage decision done. And who has done by the person, it is showing also. Okay. This completes the session. And if you have any doubt, you can just come watching this, this session on the SAP incoming inspection with the Fiori apps. Please let me know if you have any, questions, and also provide the feedback. Okay, kindly like this channel with the SAP KT knowledge transfer with the Paris, and subscribe for my channel. This will help us to make more videos for the knowledge transfer. Thank you. Thank you very much.